The Binance burn numbers for Terra Luna Classic are in, and my goodness do they look good. Now guys, I know we've talked a lot about managing expectations and all of that, so I hope that you guys did. Otherwise, you could be disappointed this morning, right? But let's go over these numbers. Let's talk about what it means for the future burns and how we can get a much better calculation moving forward. But I'm not going to make you wait. Guys, 5.6 billion Terra Luna Classic burn this morning. I believe it was like 5.595 billion Terra Luna Classic burn. That is over, or it's over 1.8, but roughly $1.9 million worth of Terra Luna Classic burned by Binance, and that absolutely deserves, it deserves a thank you, it deserves applause, it deserves some recognition. It's $1.9 million that they did not have to burn, but they did. So Binance, thank you very much. CZ, man, thank you very much. But guys, let's discuss what this means for LUNC moving forward. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks. $1 crypto trade, you're getting $5 in free crypto. And then if you want a crypto exclusive exchange where you can buy and sell Terra Luna Classic, you've got KuCoin down there, and they offer rewards for the more active traders. So if you guys are very active traders, you're going to get a lot of rewards on their platform. And if you want to support Binance for supporting the burns, and you're an international user, you've got international Binance down there in the description. But guys, we got a lot to go over in this video. Let's go over some numbers, and then let's go over what this means and what we've actually learned from this burn. So we knew going into this that you had one of two choices, and we spent a lot of time talking about it, and I hope you guys internalized it as well, that managing these realistic expectations was going to be very important for this Binance burn. Because we saw a lot of numbers floating around 15 to 25, sometimes even 30 billion Terra Luna Classic were expected to be burnt, and if that's what the case was, if you were out there expecting 30 billion today, and you got the 5-6 billion, then you would have been disappointed, right? And I can see that some people may be disappointed by this burn because the price is back down a little bit right now, trading around that 31,000 point per coin range from the 32, 33. But, you know, this could just be normal fluctuation. It's not that big of a deal to see a couple percent decline or a couple percent rise in a coin as volatile as Terra Luna Classic. So I believe as a lot of people, you know, see these Binance burn numbers coming forth, they're going to have to make that decision as to whether or not this is as fast as they want it to burn. Guys, we know that the burns are the icing on the cake. The Terra Luna Classic burns are the gains multiplier. It's not the only way we create value on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. So, what can we learn from this burn? Oh my gosh, I didn't even mean to rhyme that. Oh gosh. All right, never mind with that rhyme thing. Anyway, what can we learn from this burn? So, a lot of people were doing the math. What you do is you take the volume or the total value of Terra Luna Classic traded, okay? And I saw all of the spreadsheets flowing around out there, and then you basically multiply it by the trading fee or the expected trading fee, and then what you do is you take that trading fee and divide it by the price to get the total amount of Terra Luna Classic that would be burned. And a lot of people were expecting, you know, rightly, expecting between 15, 25, 30 billion Terra Luna Classic. But what they were looking at was that 0.1% trading fee. And we knew that that was going to be the variable that we couldn't determine. You know, we don't have, I guess, behind the scenes statistics into how many traders at Binance are trading on VIP status, or how many Terra Luna Classic buyers have, you know, meet these requirements to reduce their fees on the Binance platform. And here's what we've learned, okay? Either one of two things is occurring. Either the vast majority of people on the Binance platform are VIP level traders. And that's one way to look at it. Another way to look at it is the vast majority of money on the Binance platform is VIP status. Now, you could have the same amount of traders. You could have, 10,000, 100,000 traders that are not VIP status, trading with that 0.1% trading fee. And then you could have another 100,000 traders, or even less, 10,000 traders that are trading with that VIP status. But the 100,000 traders may be trading $10 at a time, where the VIPs are trading $10,000 at a time. And of course, if you're trading $10,000 at a time, it is going to accumulate much faster than the $10 transactions. So what we've learned is roughly, these are basically estimates here, okay, is that the average trading fee imposed on a Binance trader trading LUNC or trading Terra Luna Classic this past week. This could change, right? Traders could change. They can make money. They can lose money. They can gain that VIP status. Traders that were active last week might not be active this week, and so on. But what we saw is about a 0.00025. Okay, it is a 0.025% trading fee imposed on the transactions. Now, that's the average. So here's what we can learn from that moving forward if we're trying to calculate these Binance burns, is that instead of imposing a 0.1% trading fee, we've got to divide that by 4, okay? The average we saw in this first week was 0.025%. There was roughly $7 billion worth of Terra Luna Classic traded in the last week on Binance. And the amount that they burned, the trading fees, amounted to roughly $1.9 million. Now, of course, the $1.9 million into the $7 billion amount gives you roughly that 0.00025 or 0.025% as a trading fee. So next week, let's say we get another $7 billion traded on Binance. We would imagine we've got the same burns that are going to be taking place, roughly 5.5, 6 billion Terra Luna Classic if the price remains the same. Now, this is the interesting part that can really throw another variable into the mix here. If Terra Luna Classic is trading higher, of course, we will burn less. If Terra Luna Classic is trading lower, of course, we will burn more. So if the 5.5 billion Terra Luna Classic, if the $1.9 million was unimpressive to you, and all of a sudden the price drops because it's the majority consensus, and let's say the price goes down to 16,000 points per coin again, some of the lows that it was testing before Binance announced these burns, all of a sudden the price is half, those burns double. So that 5.56 billion Terra Luna Classic burn will turn into 12 billion Terra Luna Classic. So guys, we've still got a lot of positive news to look forward to, a lot of great things in store for us, and as these burns continue to come, we will absolutely get better average numbers. We will be able to take these out even further, and it's going to improve our ability to estimate what's to come for Terra Luna Classic. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Were you guys blown away this morning, or did you maintain those realistic expectations for Binance? Get your names and get your comments down in the comments below, and of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys are getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You've got Binance and KuCoin in the description if you want Terra Luna Classic. Free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.